Pax Silica, dapat ba talaga natin gawin dito sa Pilipinas o hindi? Ngayon, bago natin pag-usapan lahat yan, meron akong papakita sa inyo. Alam nyo ba that Thailand just announced meron silang Siam Silica plan to drive regional chip hub. So, hindi lang ang Pilipinas ang gustong magtayo ng ganun. Kasi napakalaki talaga ng economic benefit pag gumawa ka ng ganung klaseng programa. Kitang-kita nyo naman, Thailand. Ang gusto ko sa approach ng Thailand, hindi lang siyang parang one-off program ng mga warehouse. Meron pa sila tinatawag dito na STEM Plus platform wherein they upskill traditional manufacturing workers into deep tech roles. So, yung pag-approach nila sa kanilang Pax Silica or Siam Silica is a very holistic, whole-of-government, whole-of-country approach that will allow for a bigger, kumbaga, spread ng benefits ng programa na yon. This is so important to them that they even confirmed na semiconductor development has been designated as a national priority, which brings us back to Pax Silica. Alam ko marami sa inyong natatakot, nagdududa, feeling ninyo na masama siya sa environment, and rightly so, those are very valid concerns. In fact, marami sa atin natatakot na kukurakutin lang yung pera to ng mga government officials natin. And that is okay. That is okay na pag-isipan yun. Bakit? Kasi we've endured decades of abuse from our government officials. Decades of corruption, decades of inefficiency, decades of them not doing anything to actually make our lives better. And doon nanggagaling yung deep mistrust. Pag meron kasing deep mistrust sa government, ang hirap gumawa ng mga malalaking programa kasi kukontrahin at kukontrahin at kukontrahin sila. Hahanapan at hahanapan at hahanapan silang butas. Hindi mo rin masisihan kasi si Pax Silica kukuha ng sobrang daming kuryente and yet our grid is stressed AF. Tapos marami din daw kailangan ng tubig requirements. And then mababasa mo sa balita na yung mga dams natin nagkukulang na sa tubig. So parang dun pa lang magdududa ka na talaga on top of parang kung magnanakaw lang yung mga politiko na yan dyan. So sa mga sa gobyerno na nagtataka kung bakit ayaw ng mga tao sa Pax Silica, simple lang. Kasi wala kaming tiwala sa inyo. Kasi lahat ng ginagawang maganda sana, sinisira ninyo. Lahat ng nakakatuwang bagay na makakatulong sana sa Pilipino, ninanakaw ninyo. So pag makakita kami ng napakagandang programa sana, katulad ng Pax Silica, hindi na ma-assess ng tama. Kasi ang nakikita lang ng karamihan ng mga Pilipino is yung mga kagaguhan at katarantaduhan ninyo. Yun yung reason why ang hirap i-push ng Pax Silica. And yun yung reason why we should still take a close look at it kasi parang sobrang tindi na talaga ng galit na baka hindi na natin ma-realize talaga yung benefits ng mga ganong klaseng programa. Pax Silica deserves a very close look, deserves study, deserves research, kasi we need to have a play pagdating sa global AI arms race dito sa mundong to. Other countries like what you guys saw, like Thailand, are already putting up their own plans. I'm sure other of our neighbors here in ASEAN are also doing so as well. So it boils down to us, the people, to make sure that the government, kung gagawin man nila tong Pax Silica na to, ay gawin nila ng maayos. Kailangan bantayan. Kailangan tingnan every step of the way from the signing of the contract to ano ba yung mga detalye niyan. Dito din papasok yung importance ng private sector at mga experts. We should all take a look at it. We should all criticize it. We should all make suggestions on how to make it better. But the last thing we should do is to scrap it all together without giving it the justice of taking a closer look at it and how to make it work. I think we owe it that much to the country and to the future generations. I will be doing siguro a more expanded view into Pax Silica in the next week. We're currently doing more work in getting more data, getting more information. So watch out for that video that will drop on our podcast and on YouTube very soon. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section down below.